friends, future me here. So y'all knew we were going to Mexico. Well, look, I pre-filmed my last like 3 days of RISSMAS. Well, technically like my last 2 days of RISSMAS. Because I knew we were going to be in Mexico, and I was almost there, almost done with everything, with all 25 days of videos. However, I thought that I would have enough time at the airport to upload them. That didn't happen. So, sorry about that, but I still had them done. So, you know what? You guys are going to get them, but they're just late. So please enjoy these last 2 days of RISSMAS. Also, don't forget to look out for those Mexico vlogs because we had a great time in Mexico. Yeah. So, thanks for your understanding. Please enjoy whatever RISSMAS day this is. Woo! Hello friends, Merry Christmas. We made it 25 days of RISSMAS. 25 days.
It's only 20.
We're pre-recording right now. You know what? As you're seeing this, it is Christmas, but we're in Mexico. So we're coming to you right now with Christmas with my family. It's late Sunday night and we're about to do breakfast for dinner and enjoy some presents.
Yeah, somebody's late.
And we're late. Nothing's new there. So let's get into some holly jolly Merry Christmasing.
I used this once and it really wasn't comfortable. When you're lying in bed,
No.
why would I want you just kind of like do this and then you put your phone in it and it's hands-free to watch a movie.
Maybe for pop. What is that?
Eggnog, you're gonna try it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Is it?
Eggnog is good.
You don't like eggnog?
She's never tried it. She always says she doesn't like stuff that she never
Maybe
tries.
a boba for us. It really doesn't taste like it.
Oh, no. It's like a creamy spice.
Here.
It's
And the
like
corn.
sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet. It's a creamy spice, and when you add a tad bit of rum to it, it gives it a kick.
Try it. Try it!
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm a smiley person.
Recording it, that's
Christmas.
It's Christmas. Just taste it, don't
Right.
smell it.
That's up silverware.
Well,
You're
when
right
they
there.
get their plates, they can grab some.
Come on.
I did.
That was not even a sip.
Yeah, that was a sip. Look, I'm drinking this and then that. That's not.
Strawberry and eggnog doesn't go
Yeah.
together.
It's gonna. I don't know what it tastes like. What does it taste like?
Like eggnog.
Like cinnamon or something.
Yeah, it's spicy.
Hi.
What kind is it?
Hi.
Cinnamon.
What are
Eggnog?
you doing? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Thank you. That's so
It gives the
nice.
taste of that thing.
It's not as
Thank
creamy
you so much.
as most eggnogs.
It's because it's soy-free, dairy-free eggnog.
Well, that's why it tastes like. No, gee, this isn't good. No. No, if you're going to drink the good stuff. Here, do you want to use this hands-free?
No.
No one wants
I'm not going to use that. I don't know why you decided to buy that.
Because it was just like when I was riding in the car, I could like watch movies like this.
While you drive. GPS.
Here, Hershey, you want a little eggy egg? Come here.
He's allergic.
Is he really allergic to eggs? He's not allergic to eggs.
Allergic to eggs. What's hot sauce?
Cross it. Cross it down like good boy. All right. Hi, buddy. What's going on? You can't eat jalapenos. Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. Did you watch the new season?
Have you seen some of it?
I haven't watched the new season at all. Don't spoil any of it for me. Have not seen a single
Oh,
episode
okay.
of the season.
I've got questions about it. interesting, but you
No.
haven't seen it, so I can't ask the questions.
Nope.
Oh, so you don't know that the Mandalorian dies?
No, it doesn't die. No, but you know the guy that played
Stop
Boba.
talking!
No, the guy that played Boba Fett.
Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. They're opening it.
There, your mom didn't do one?
I'm working on it.
Oh my god, it's an Xbox One. And a PS5.
Mom, I think this one's yours, but I don't remember because I didn't label it.
Hey, hey, hey!
What'd you get?
Oh. So you can make all the TikToks. Oh,
Well,
cool.
I know she likes to say her prayers, and this is a Disney devotional.
Yeah, mostly her prayers are. I hope Marissa doesn't annoy me today.
Yeah, is that one in here?
Yeah, it's under
Yeah,
different
it's called
name.
Under Thunder Mountain.
Oh.
It's a straightener, but it's so cute. Look, it's like graffiti.
Nice.
It's cute.
So now you can show your hair every day.
Are you trying to say something?
No, I'm just saying.
Do you think I need to straighten my hair every day?
Let's continue.
Oh my gosh,
yes.
I have been wanting this for so long.
Easy going.
No, no. What?
You
My
hear
hair is easy going.
No. It's a jade roller.
Jay?
Well, a quartz roller.
How do you cook?
Oh my gosh.
And that's supposed to feel good?
Yeah, it's good for my giant eye bags that are bigger than my actual bags that I carry.
Under.
Should I open this one now?
Sure.
Oh no. I don't want to. I know what this is. I hate you. You're such a pain in the ass with this.
Oh, I was right?
Electric toothpaste.
Oh my god.
Wait, I was right. There's a present.
I just
Yeah.
replaced my hair.
It's a voice recorder.
Oh.
Ooh, cute.
You gotta unwrap that one. We're gonna save this bag.
Okay.
That's what you have to do.
That's awful.
You gotta open it up.
Oh. Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténgase alejados de las puertas. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love this. Thank you, Pops. Oh, wow. Por favor, manténgase alejados de las puertas.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
When she goes to Mexico, that's all she's gonna be able to say.
Yeah?
There's more? Wow, Lorena's trying to spoil me. She's trying to not get kicked out. These ones are so cute too. Thank you so much. And they have pockets. Thank you. I feel like because of work now, all I buy are like black leggings. So I keep trying to tell myself like, you don't need just black leggings. Like you can branch out.
Are you trying to get a reaction here?
No.
On this one or the other one?
No.
I feel like we're
Crafted with pride.
It's not like gay pride.
Oh.
It's just like prideful workmanship. It's not a gay thing.
No, you did not.
What?
Where do you get it?
Can you just open the dang box?
You know it's gonna drive over there too?
No, you weren't. You're such a liar.
Yeah.
No, you weren't.
Yeah.
She's been talking about this hat for literally like a year and a half now.
Why are you smiling?
I'm mad. That's why I'm smiling.
That probably took a whole roll of that one.
Yeah, it did.
Yay.
This is the one that's made for your phone so you can share all the pictures.
So
Yeah.
after she practices,
It's like custom
in
made
your
for
room
home.
What the stars are, then you can go outside and try to find the real ones.
There's supposed to be a big one on Christmas Day. I think 2 of them supposed to.
Jupiter and Saturn.
Is it tomorrow?
It's
Well,
tomorrow.
it's the 21st.
The 21st.
Winter.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
Perfect.
So,
That's the closest that'll have been in 400 years.
see?
That's awesome. Wait,
You
it
don't
connects
remember when you guys
To your
connected
phone.
to your
we
phone?
had-
Yeah.
and it
We
captures like.
Yeah, it
all
captures the
got that.
pictures.
Oh, that's so cool.
Are you happy? Good. Are you happy, Hershey? Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. It's a Theragun. It's like a deep tissue massage gun for your muscles when they get sore. Oh, this is perfect. I just did legs yesterday, so my butt hurts. Thank you.
That's so she doesn't have to do it.
Yeah, she never does anyway, so. At the gym, if you want to use this for like 5 minutes, they charge you like $15.
Oh, crap.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Good job wrapping, Lorena. I like this wrapping paper too.
Open all of it.
Oh,
Take it completely out of the box.
yay. This is perfect.
But it's more than just a cheese board.
Oh, I'm so excited. Like the present. Oh my gosh, I was right.
You did not get her that vacuum cleaner, did you? Oh, no. She got her Dyson vacuum cleaner.
I'm so happy right now. I can't wait to vacuum our couch.
This also, you can make it smaller so you can clean your car.
Oh my gosh, thank
Got the
you.
Dyson.
Thank you.
Our kids are so spoiled.
They follow each other. Wow.
That's what it's all about.
Thank you. I'm so excited. I'm gonna vacuum all of our stuff when we get
You know
home.
what? If you want to try it out now, feel free.
Screw you. The first nice vacuum line is gonna be in my house. Thank you so much. Wow. I'm so excited. Oh. Well, Dad, what the heck is this new chew toy? What the heck? What the heck? Back away from my Dyson. Thank you guys so much for watching all my RISSMAS videos and just clicking on any and every video that you do. This has been very tough, but also very fun to have just 25 days of holly jolly fun. So that was Christmas with my family. We had a really fun time. When you're watching this, we will be in Mexico, and I'm sure we are having a great time with G's family. I hope you're having a wonderful time with your family or your dogs, or Zoom calling whoever you are, or whatever you're doing this Christmas. I hope that you get every single thing that you could possibly want out of it. I know that this whole year has been crazy so far, and I know this is probably the most different holiday season than any other one that we've had, but you should really just be so happy that you made it to the end of this year and you've dealt with all of the struggles of 2020. And I hope that today you just get to enjoy all of the good little things about Christmas, and I hope you take the time to try to be as happy and holly and festive and jolly as you can. And thank you guys so much. So with that being said, stay jolly, stay positive. I will see you next time. Hear that, Scoopy? We're gonna see them next time. We're not gonna see them tomorrow. We're gonna see them next time. That's crazy, right?